So my name is Lisa Schwab, and I'm the owner of Cantalini's Salerno Beach Restaurant. So I was inspired to carry on the legacy of my Italian grandparents. I was fortunate to be raised by them. They were from Abruzzi, Italy. My grandmother, Anna Cantalini, is who we named the restaurant after. I feel so grateful to be able to take what I learned from them and carry it forward. We share it with our community, and for me, it's very personal. It's like you're coming into my home to have dinner.
At Cantalini's, we provide a wonderful space for you to have, whether it's a romantic date or a beautiful wedding or a birthday celebration. We also offer all of our homemade family recipes, homemade desserts, lunch and dinner, live music every Sunday night, and our beautiful catering crew that can bring our home into your home.
We're so grateful to have come through the pandemic, and I am eternally grateful to our community for supporting us. Our staff has been wonderful, and we're so happy that we're able to keep most of our staff employed during the pandemic. However, a few moved out of state, and it's been difficult for us to feel strong enough to be able to expand our staffing, and Honeycomb would enable us to do that. And in addition, we have a wonderful sidewalk experience that we would like to refresh. Our patio dining has been very popular, and our furniture's weathered, and we'd really like to get some new heaters and tables so that our customers can feel a sense of comfort when they're dining with us.
So in all the years that I've been working with Lisa and here at Cantalini's, the most amazing part of it has been the way she is received in the community. Lisa is always giving to the community, always receptive to helping the community in any way that she can. She's won a multitude of awards for her philanthropy that she's done in the community. The other thing that's really wonderful is the way our customers come back and visit us through the years. We have kids who have grown up here since they were little, and they go away to college, they come back to work with us, they go away, get married, come back with their own kids. It's just a labor of love to always see how happy they are and how Lisa is so well received in the community. Everyone loves Lisa, and everyone loves Cantalini's.
Thank you so much for checking out our campaign. We look forward to growing with our community.